Hi everybody, Robert Dyer, and welcome to the Robert Dyer channel, where tonight I was in the freezer aisle at the store and I happened to see a brand new lean cuisine variety. This is Spinach Artichoke Ravioli. It's part of their Chef's Pick collection, and it's got spinach, artichoke, and cheese-filled ravioli in a creamy Parmesan sauce with yellow carrots, green beans, and spinach. That means double the spinach. I think Popeye would approve of that. Now I've got this going in the microwave right now, so let's get it out and see how it looks. As you can see, this has 280 calories, 11% fat for the day, 18% saturated fat, 10% cholesterol, 650 milligrams of sodium, 17% potassium, and 16% of the fiber for the day. And here you have the chef who invented this recipe, and it says he recommends having this with an arugula salad with shaved Parmesan and balsamic vinaigrette. So here's how it looks on the package, and here's how it looks out of the microwave. You can see the pasta is a little more cream or yellow in color than it was on the box. There you have those carrot slices, the green beans. You can see the flakes of spinach and that Parmesan cream sauce. So a fairly colorful presentation here. The aroma I'm picking up here is the strong Parmesan aroma and some of the spinach. So let's try some of that Parmesan sauce. Definitely has a rich cheese taste to it. A little bit of an herb in there. I can't really figure out what it is. But now let's try one of these yellow carrots. Seems a little milder than your average carrot. It's fairly soft also in this sauce that it was marinating in. Now let's try one of the green beans. A little bit more crunch to this. And now let's try finally the ravioli itself, with that artichoke, spinach, and cheese filling. The ravioli were uniformly soft, which if you've had ravioli frozen in the microwave, you know sometimes it can get hard or rubbery on part of it. Didn't have that problem with this. They're nicely sized, and the cheese inside is more mild than the cheese that's in the sauce around the whole dinner, and that allowed the artichoke flavor to stand out instead of being overwhelmed, so it actually worked very well. And obviously you have the very fresh taste of the vegetables, and you can tell that the chef, where it mentions on here that his specialty is custom spice blends, and that really was evident in this sauce, which is outstanding. It's very rich cheese flavor. I think there's 3 different cheeses, and then there's also this blend of spices that is not hot at all, but it gives a real zing to the sauce that really makes the whole dinner an outstanding meal. And so I would highly recommend this. I would get it again, and I'm going to give it 5 stars for only 280 calories. I don't think you can beat that. So I hope you like this video. Share it with your friends. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.